All right, and this one we're going to go ahead and do ISO number 12 for you and help you out. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new document here, and we'll call that ISO 12 to get you started there. I'd like to do something with a diagonal. So in order to start this, again, you want to kind of start with front faces and things like that. I'm going to do this in 2 extrusions. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to sketch this part real quick. And in order to sketch this part, remember, in order to find what this length is right here, I need to sketch this line, and this line. And once I have those dimensioned properly and drawn in, then I can just connect those two. So we're going to start with the front face, and we'll start a sketch there. I'll hit front, and then I'm going to start mine like right on the corner here. So let's do this. I'm going to go over, and when I could sketch this too, is I'm going to hit, let's see, how big is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can make that 6. I could dimension this after. I'll dimension after. And then we'll go up. And let's see if I can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe again. Let's see if I hit 6 if it goes. Nope. There we go. And then I believe this is 2 over. So we're just going to leave this like that. And now we'll dimension. So we'll make this 6. I'm just clicking, right? Select, drag, click 6. Let's zoom out a little. Select, drag, and that's 2. So this now gives me what I need in order to create this diagonal here, right? Now I can just connect these two. And now I'm ready to extrude that. So if I go corner here, let's extrude. That's a solid. That's what I want to extrude. We're going back 2. And we're done there. Okay, let's hit done. All right, now as far as sketching on this, right, if I want to sketch this, what I'm going to need to do is sketch on the back face of this thing. So I'm going to turn this around a little bit. Right, let's turn this around. And I'm going to be sketching right here. So I'll select this plane and a sketch now. And so now I'm sketching right on the back of this. And what I need to be aware of is I'm looking in this way. So I'm going to be the same rectangle. I'm going to kind of draw a rectangle and then cut some things out more or less. Let's go the full length here, which would be, we have our 6 plus 7, 8, 9, right? We have our 6 plus 7, 8, 9. That's what I'm going to draw along the bottom. I need a rectangle. I'm going to make this, it's almost 9 long, so here, let's go here. That gets us to there. We are about 3 up, right? And then I don't want to drag this in yet because I want to create what's happening in the top. So let's go over here, and this will get dimensioned in, and then we'll select it. So we already know this is 9. Let's make sure that this is proper. That's 9. That's going to bring this in. This is only up 3, and then this is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So now I've selected that, and now I can just go to this corner and connect them. And now essentially I've created everything I need for that sketch. So let's finish. I'm going to go here, and this will now extrude backwards. Let's select this solid. Ooh, it wants this piece as well. Let's see if we can get that piece. Hang on, let's cancel that. It's not liking what I did here. So let me go here. Let's see if this is going to extrude everything. I'm going to select, oops, let's go back here. Let's see what this does. I do want to extrude everything. Let me go back here. There we go, and select both. And how much do I want to extrude that to? So sometimes Inventor will do this too, because we're seeing another line there. It reads what we call projected geometry, which we'll talk about, especially when we get some more complicated parts. But this should end up working out, and we wanted to add in that direction, and it was 2. Let's see if that ends up looking, there we go. It just updated it now. And now we can hit it, and let's hit back. Let's go back this way to see home. And that's good to go. Don't forget to unselect and viewing those planes right there. And now we have our ISO 12 part. Hopefully that was helpful, and you guys got 4 more to sketch, or 8 more to sketch. Good luck.